In the quiet corners of the world away from the bustling cities, stories of profound love often unfold. This is one such story, born from hardship, nurtured by hope. Meet Leo, a bright-eyed boy with an insatiable hunger for knowledge. His dreams stretched far beyond the village horizon. But the world was moving too fast. While cities glowed with the light of 1,000 screens, Leo could only watch from the shadows, a silent observer of a future that felt out of reach. He tried to build his own world with charcoal and cardboard, but deep down he knew it wasn't enough. Then the storm of reality hit. The school doors closed and the silence in the village became deafening. Education was now digital, but in this house even a candle was a luxury. "Will I ever get to learn again, Papa?" The gap between his dreams and his reality had never felt so wide. Leo's father, a man of few words, felt the weight of his son's fading spirit. A father's heart silently breaking behind a mask of stoic calm. He felt the texture of the wood, searching for a solution in the grain of the timber. The spark in Leo's eyes began to dim. He sat in the corners of their home, a shadow of the boy he used to be. His father watched him from the threshold, his heart heavy with the weight of 1,000 unspoken apologies. He looked at the prices of those plastic machines, a year's worth of food for a single screen. Sound of a deep, heavy breath. He walked the long roads home, searching the horizon for an answer that wasn't there. That night, in the solitude of his workshop, the tools of his trade seemed to call out to him. "Sleep well, my son. Tomorrow I will find a way. I promise." The workshop came alive in the dead of night. A different kind of magic was beginning. He painstakingly carved each key, each letter with the precision of a master and the heart of a father. Sweat and sawdust became symbols of his devotion. He measured not in inches but in hope. Every piece of wood was selected for its strength. He sanded the mahogany until it was as smooth as glass, a canvas for his son's imagination. With every joint and hinge, he was building a bridge over the chasm of poverty. While the world slept, the father worked. The moon was his only witness. It wouldn't have a microchip, but it would have a heart. By dawn, it was finished. A masterpiece of wood, sweat, and devotion. It's not much, but it's yours. The morning light brought a gift that no money could buy. It sat there simple and profound, waiting to change a young boy's life. Leo's world, once dark, was suddenly filled with the scent of fresh wood and the warmth of a father's love. He touched the keys, half expecting them to be a dream. But the wood was solid and real. "Papa, look. It's beautiful. I can practice my lessons now. Thank you, Papa. Thank you for not letting me forget my dreams. As long as I have these hands, Leo, you will never be without a way." The keys didn't click, they thudded softly, echoing the heartbeat of a father's sacrifice. In that small room, poverty was forgotten. Only love remained. "My father made this. It's the most powerful computer in the world because it runs on love." Leo studied with his wooden laptop every single day. The screen was blank, but his mind was full. He learned to see what wasn't there, a skill that would one day change the world. Years passed, but the lesson of the wooden laptop remained. Decades later, among the most advanced technology, that wooden laptop still held the place of honor. The father, his hands now still looked at the man his son had become with a satisfied smile. It was never just about the wood. It was about the belief that a child's mind is worth every sacrifice. "I'm home, Papa, and I brought the world back with me just like you showed me." From one wooden machine, a whole village learned to dream again. Some inventions change the world. Others simply save a soul. Love is, and always will be, the greatest invention of all.